Just doing a little bit of a walk around today on the new PROFORM Slim-Fit Radiator. A couple of the things you can notice right offhand, obviously, is you got the central tank in the middle of the core, which holds the fan motor. And of course you can see the dual hybrid core that has extruded tubes and traditional tubes. Gives it a new idea. Great welding, all looks very beautiful. Obviously then there's these cool like four corners here, four-corner technology, which when you come around to the back side, you can see those actually act as how the shroud for this system attaches to the core. Nice and neat, really integrated. Looks totally awesome. Then you got the thermostat controller here, adjustable. You got the weather-tight harness, 16-inch fan in this particular model, S-blade. Sweet, check out the look of that breather cap too. Love it, awesome.